Welcome back. This is Matt with MS Partners LLC. A lot of vacant landowners think there are only two ways to sell their property. Either list it with an agent and wait sometimes months or even years, or sell it cheap for cash. But there's actually a third way, and the third option that most landowners overlook completely, and that's seller financing. Also called owner financing, selling on a real estate contract, a land contract, but we'll just refer to it as seller financing. And in this video, I'm going to break down what seller financing actually is, why buyers love it, why many sellers make more money this way, whether you need a title company or attorney, and when seller financing makes sense and when it doesn't. So if you own vacant land, make sure to watch this video entirely. And if you enjoy real estate education like this, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because I post videos every week helping people better understand land investing, real estate, and creative deals. So what is seller financing? Seller financing is exactly what it sounds like. Instead of the buyer getting a bank loan, you become the bank. Let's say you're selling a vacant piece of land for $20,000. Instead of requiring the buyer to pay the full amount up front, you might accept 5,000 down, then monthly payments over time until the balance is paid off. So maybe the buyer pays 400 a month for several years, often with interest included. The buyer gets access to the property now, and you receive ongoing monthly income. So why would the buyers like seller financing? Vacant land is notoriously difficult to finance through traditional banks. And banks usually prefer houses over raw land because they see land as riskier. So that means land buyers can't qualify for loans. They they don't want long approval processes, or maybe they just don't have the cash. Seller financing opens the door to a much larger buyer pool. And when you increase demand, you often increase the value. So what would the benefits be to you as a seller? You you can often sell for a higher price. Buyers are usually willing to pay more when affordable monthly payments are available. So instead of taking a discounted cash offer, you may be able to get closer to your asking price this way. Instead of one lump sum, seller financing can create reoccurring monthly cash flow. So for some sellers, that predictable income is more valuable than taking a lower cash offer today. Vacant land can sit for a long time, as I've said before. Seller financing makes your property stand out because you're solving a problem for buyers now. In many cases, you're not just selling the property, you're earning interest over time. So your total profit may end up being significantly higher than a cash sale. Now, seller financing is not always the best option. Some people just simply want just a cash out, immediate cash out. They don't want ongoing management, they don't want monthly collections, and they just don't want to wait years to receive full payment. And that's completely understandable. Cash sales are simpler and faster. Seller financing is more about maximizing value and cash flow over time. So, do you need a title company or attorney to sell with seller financing? No, you don't. I've sold many properties on a real estate contract without an attorney. The thing is, you should absolutely use professionals. You should use a title company or an attorney. Even if it's a small land deal, a title company or real estate attorney can help. They can help you verify ownership, prepare documents correctly, handle recording, ensure both parties are protected, and reduce the chances of major mistakes later. A lot of problems in real estate happens because people try to save money by skipping proper documentation, whether it's a deed, land contract, promissory note, or closing paperwork. Having professionals involved adds security and clarity. At the end of the day, seller financing can be a powerful tool for vacant landowners. It can expand your buyer pool, increase your selling price, create monthly income, and help difficult properties move faster. But like anything in real estate, it's important to understand that structure, it protects yourself properly. If you enjoy the video about land investing, real estate strategies, and creative ways to maximize value, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. This is Matt with MS Partners. I'll see you in the next video.